Hey everyone, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create interactive flashcard using Gemini AI guided learning feature. This method is simple and it can help you study and remember anything more efficiently. First, just go to Gemini and then just log in with your Google account. And for this tutorial, I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro, but you can use whichever model is available on your account. And next, here tricks to create flashcard. We actually need to start by creating a quiz. Just type a prompt to create a quiz that you like. For example, I will type my prompt like this. Maybe like this. You can ask for 5, 10, or even 25 quizzes, but I recommend keeping it simple because we are not really interested in the quiz itself. Next, just go to Tools and then choose Guided Learning and then just tap on Submit. Like this. Once the quiz is ready, you don't need to answer anything. Just click on next, 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 and until it's on the last questions, and then just tap on done. Now comes the fun part. Once the quiz is done, you will see a flashcard button. This one. Just click it, and Gemini will automatically create a set of flashcards from the topic you provided. And see, flashcard already generated by Gemini. It can include up to 25 concepts or key terms. You can click on card to refill the explanations, and then you can just tap on next to continue another key terms, and then tap on the card again to refill the explanations. And there are also a random button if you want to shuffle your learning like this, like this. And that's it. That's how you can create interactive flashcard with Gemini AI's guided learning. It's a really cool way to study smarter and make your learning session more fun. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.